Alright, so wireless gaming headset, 12-hour battery, active noise cancellation microphone, RGB lighting, 60 bar. Let's talk about it. Yes, what's going on, people? It's Tech Jamo. Now, we're out here with the Tronsmart Shadow gaming headset, wireless gaming headset, you know. Let me tell you guys, I was looking for my own pair of wireless gaming headsets the other day, and anything that was a wireless gaming headset, you're looking at plus £100. Yeah, you're looking at plus 1 bill 50 even in some cases. Now, this thing is undercutting the whole competition, even on their wired gaming headsets. Yeah, it's promising goodness, it's promising RGB, 50mm drivers, 12 hours of battery life. It's promising a lot, but let's get this thing opened and see if it actually delivers on any of them promises. Okay, this is the thing here. The box feels hella lightweight. Let's just have a little look at what we've got going on here. Shadow wireless gaming headset, compatible on P4, X1, Nintendo Switch, PC, and mobile devices. So basically compatible with anything. It's not one of them ones where you have to say, oh, is this the Xbox version or is this the PlayStation version? Apparently it just works across the board. Then you got some things here. Ultra 20 millisecond latency, 2.4 gigahertz wireless technology, dynamic 50mm drivers. You guys can read all of that if you really want to. Anyway, let's get into this thing. Let's just unbox this. Let's just unbox this Rago style. Alright, so not really a presentation thing. Everything is just slapped in the box, but that's cool because it's a budget thing, isn't it? So that's what we're expecting. Let me just. Okay. Okay, the box is. Oh, no. We got some instructions. Alright. So, first up, we got some instructions. Don't know. Alright, you can read that if you want to. But you already know, bad man don't read instructions out here. And this comes in a plastic bag. Like, literally, we're talking budget unboxing thing right here, fam. Alright, not even polystyrene, you know. These look alright, though, fam. Look at that little mesh there. Got a little metal mesh thing. Tronsmart logo on the top with the stitching on the sides. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this doesn't look too bad. There's not really any swivel on these headphones, and I'm sure it's a 360 degrees rotatable. Oh, it's the microphone that's 360 degrees rotatable. Okay, so yeah, not much rotation on these, but you know, looks alright. Got the little left logo there, got the little right logo there. I'll see what connections we've got going on here. Don't know what this big. Oh, okay, it's for a headphone jack. Got two headphone jack ports there. Got USB-C, don't know what in the future. On button, and you got a couple of other buttons there as well. And you got absolutely zero buttons on the other side. And these earmuffs, they feel okay. They feel alright. They're not the best earmuffs I've felt, but they feel alright. Anyway, let's put that down for a sec. You also get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, so I can connect this to my Elgato Wave 3 and be living my life, fam. Be living my whole life. You also get USB-A to USB-C cable, so obviously for plugging it in and thing like that. And this must be the microphone. You can just take that out. Okay. Oh, so you got the transmitter there as well. Little Tronsmart transmitter, and then you've also got the mic, which is on the end of a 3.5mm cable. And okay, I can see why they've shaped it like this now. So this obviously goes in here like so. Okay, so you got the full thing now, so you can detach the thing if you want to, or you can keep the thing attached in it. Is it supposed to click like that? I hope so. Okay, otherwise we've already mashed up the thing. But yeah, that's what the thing looks like. And this is the little transmitter. So let me get it all plugged in and let's see what's really good. I forgot Man is a head model out here. So obviously, let me put the thing, let me do the big head test. Okay. Okay, maximum stretch. The big head test is complete. And yeah, we're here, fam. Do you know what's weird though? I've never had the microphone on this side. It's usually always on the left-hand side. Are these the right way around? No, they're not. I see. What have I done? Maybe I'm supposed to put it in this way? So I'll put it in back to front. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is it. This is it right here. Testing, testing. Yeah. Kill that brother over there. Okay. All right, let's get it plugged in. All right, so sound test time. So right now, guys, you're listening to my voice on my Elgato Wave 3 microphone. That's my dedicated microphone, my go-to microphone. That's what Man uses. However, when I'm out and about, I don't like to take the Elgato Wave 3 with me everywhere I go. So it's nice to have a little portable headset with the microphone attached. So let's just go and turn the Wave 3 off. And let's turn the microphone for this little Shadow wireless gaming headset on, and let's see how Man sounds. I'm not going to be able to see how I sound until after I've recorded this, so it's going to be a surprise for me and a surprise for you guys to see how it sounds. In fact, at this point, you guys even know what it sounds like, and I don't even know what it sounds like. But yeah, no, it's just interesting. I'm not expecting it to be better than the Wave 3 whatsoever. However, I'm just want to see how close it will come to the quality of a dedicated microphone like the Wave 3, because the Razer Nari Ultimate, for example, they have banging quality audio. However, the microphone on these things, the microphone is trash. Like, it's dead. I should really put these on to let you guys hear the difference, but I'll do a comparison of those later so you can see what's really good. But these are 2 mil, and these are like what, £56. So yeah, let's see what's really good in it. Should I switch back to the Wave 3 where you guys already know what the Wave 3 sounds like, because man's always using it. Oh, in fact, what I'll do now is I'll switch to the microphone that's sitting on top of my camera, so you guys can hear what this shotgun microphone sounds like in comparison to the microphones that I was just using, and yeah, get a kind of general gist for the sound quality. Do you know what, guys? It's been a couple of hours since that first part of the video when Man was listening to the microphones comparison between this and my Wave 3. And do you know what? I'm not mad at these. Now, first of all, it's the price. At £56, I've been through the struggle of looking for wireless gaming headsets with the RGB, with the good microphone, and that are wireless. And look, I've been through the struggle. I know that these things are expensive. So at £56, this thing is already undercutting the whole of Amazon.co.uk. Secondly, the microphone is actually quite decent. Like, when I say decent, it's not the best quality. It's not like your listeners are going to be like, oh my God, his voice sounds so crispy. However, your listeners won't be saying, what is he saying? We can't hear him, this and that and this. Like, in comparison to the Elgato Wave 3, which is a dedicated microphone, this doesn't come anywhere close. Now, in comparison to it just being a decent microphone for you guys to hear me and hear a streamer, or for your streamers to hear you, it works. It's bog standard. It works. It's not dead, and it's not super good. It's just in the middle there, where it's like, you know what? For a cheap price, this is okay. I'm not getting rubbish for this cheap price. Like, it's very easy for companies to just give you complete rubbish, inaudible microphones that you can't even use, because they've used all the budget on making the thing wireless. But this thing is wireless and it has an okay microphone. And I think the same can be said for the sound, really. Like, I wasn't really blown away. There's quite a lot of bass because obviously there's a big massive 50mm drivers. But apart from that, yeah, if you get any headphones that have 50mm drivers, it's going to be the same audio experience kind of thing. There's not like an external app that comes with these where it can control the EQ or anything like that. It is what it is. When you plug it into your Windows PC, you get 2 sound profiles, one for the sound and one for the microphone. Whereas I've got other gaming headsets like the Razer Nari, for example. Even though the microphone is trash, it comes with its own application, and it also comes with 3 gaming sound profiles. So one for sound from the game, one for sound from your chat like Discord and things like that, and then you got another just for the microphone. And for the surround sound and stuff like that and more. Yeah, so in a way, it's a lot more simple than any other like more premium headphones, because there's not a lot of sound profiles to worry about. There's literally your sound and your microphone, and that's it. So yeah, at the price, with all that considered, and the RGB, the young RGB guys, are you guys pre-in this, fam? You guys seen the RGB, yeah? They're comfy, they fit the big heads, It's all good for me, fam. It's a yes. It's a wed. What else then? What else then? These headphones, if you're on a budget. Done no. Alright, bless.